Lok Sabha puthokuna ekon kraba VVG Ramji ekasi handoknaba madi masigi mayokta yaningtaba phongdoktuna numit nifu mangani chupna tha asigi January 10 dagi February 15 fawba leibak thungna khongjang changsillagani masigi mangoina nangasi AICC Manipur in charge Saptagiri Shankar Ulakana luchingduna MG Nareka Basau Sangram campaign amaso Congress Bhavan da launch tokre BT rota leiba Congress Bhavan da ngasi pangthokiba pawgi mifam da launch tokibani mifam aduda MPCC ke president Kaishang Megachandra CLP leader Okram Ivovi CWC member Kaikhanga Mamadi MPCC ki maruiba thomi singsu saruyaki All India Congress Committee AICC Manipur in charge Saptagiri Shankar Ulakana makataradun haikibada ngasi launch tawriba MG Narega Bachau Sangram campaign asi maruina center na tawning bada tawduna Gandhi gi ming lawthoklaga VVG Ramji ek asi pass Tauraga Leiba Praza Singi Hak Matnaba Honaba Sidagi Kanaba Lokalapa Khongjang Haiva Egasigi Mayokta Congress Party Nakan Mamong the condemn Tobaga Lodana Miam Nasuto from To E Haiki UPL Lengaki Matamda Hodolamba Khongjang Imung Singda Tabak Pibagi Quaidagi Mai Paglava Scheme Oidiba MG Narega Ek Sidagi Mahatma Gandhi gi Ming Lotokiba Sigi Nungi Oiba Wakalon Karino Amadi Malem Gimiam Nekai Kumnariba Misak Amagi Maming Lotoliba Si Live Activity Hairaduna Scheme Masina Mamangda Fanglamba Miam gi hak asi ek anuba sina state asida mapung phana phangaloi dore BJP led government na MG Narega ek asi mapangal sonthan na ba honari masimak live activity haiki amadi leibak sin thungbada chathagadori ba khongjang asigi manung channa numit nifum ngani ge numit nifum ngani asida district level press conferences symbolic fast panchayat level outreach programs Bidhan Sabha Geros Zonal level AICC rallies yauna district khuding maki DC office singda dharna phamduna memorandum singsu pisingani haiki masida miyam su sarga biyo haiki loinana Manipur gi hausi goriba fiom gi matang da palladuna AICC Manipur in charge na high president rule asi thamlaga su solution purakpa ngamdragadi PR thambagi wan thok leite president rule sangtaraga thambana karigumba development solution amata udrabadi PR asi lautholaga fresh election pangthoklaga miyam na yaba mihut ama khanbana paidagi fagani haiba wafum sing thamki
discussion happening in the parliament. There are no discussion happening here in Manipur. The Pradhan Mantri Modi, he comes here without addressing the issues of the people of Manipur, and he comes here for just road shows and his foundation laying stones and all these things, which is really, really unfortunate. We condemn it. At the same time, the VV Gramji Act, we are officially initiating the Manrega Bachao Sangram today, and all our leaders are united in this Sangram.